Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to change direct deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To change your direct deposit in Workday, unfortunately there is no option available for the direct deposit edits, as one of the Reddit users says the app may be locked down or restricted from certain sensitivity or risky actions. Then you'll need to use a browser, so head over and open up your browser and on the search bar type in Workday login. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you, and then once you're inside the home page of the Workday, all you gotta do is just simply log in with your Workday credentials. Then once logged in, simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and then choose View Profile. Now in the left hand menu, select Pay, then click on Payment Elections tab. Now to edit an existing account, simply click on Edit next to it, and then this will automatically update all associated election. Then in order to add a bank account, what you need to do is simply add in the accounts grid, enter the required details like bank name, routing number and account type, etc., and then simply click on OK. After adding the account, scroll to the Payment Elections section and click Edit, and then simply click on the plus icon to add a row for new account election. Choose the distribution via amount, percentage and balance. Rearrange accounts using the up and down arrows to ensure balance is in the last position, and then simply click on OK to save changes. Depending on the setup, your employer may need to approve the change. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.